Hi there. In this video tutorial, we will explain how to do the tune step when conducting any experiment using Technobis instruments. In this video we will explain why tuning is important, alternative methods to tune the samples, best practices in tuning for improved transmissivity data. By tuning, the system automatically regulates the light source intensity of each transmissivity sensor to match the intensity required by each reactor. The tune step calibrates the solution to 100% transmissivity, which can vary for different solutions, as you can see on the screen. For the sample in Figure A, the tune step reduces light intensity to reach 100% transmissivity. For the sample in Figure B, the tune step increases the light intensity to reach 100% transmissivity. There are two options for timing the tune step. First is the initial tune, also called the cold tune. At the beginning of the experiment, the transmissivity sensor is tuned with a vial containing just the solvent. This tuning method can be applied to clear solutions or solutions that will not change color throughout the experiment. To set the cold tune, hold the temperature at 20 degrees Celsius. Add a prompt step saying, "Insert blank solvent," where you insert the blank solvent vials. Next, add the tune step, followed by another prompt action saying, "Put actual samples," where you insert the actual set of vials. For vials using the top stirrer, it is recommended to perform the initial tune with a blank solvent and top stirrer. Alternatively, you can tune the sensor at a high temperature when the solution is clear, called the hot tune. This method is recommended when the compound may influence the solution's coloring and refractive index. For this, first increase the temperature. Hold the same temperature for some time to ensure all compound is dissolved. To check if everything is dissolved, you can add a prompt step. Then, add the tune step. While performing experiment, during the prompt step, take the vial out and see the solution. If everything is dissolved, click Continue. Please note that tuning should be done once during the first thermal cycle. The transition point before the tuning step should not be considered for determining solubility or induction time. For compounds or solvents that are very dark in color, the maximum light transmissivity at a clear solution will be below 100%. For these samples, it is advised to tune at the start of the experiment by completely blocking the light source. This can be done by placing pen or similar item in each sample block when prompted for the blank. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please reach out to us.